Donc j'appelle les nouveaux adhérents, les nouveaux membres de l'association Eonix sur scène.
Oui. Merci beaucoup Arnaud. Très bien. Donc rapidement pour la présentation que j'ai esquissée ce matin et pour la photo également sur la scène, pour présenter les nouveaux venus au sein d'Eonaix, les nouveaux membres. Donc j'ai le plaisir d'accueillir Atout France. Atout France, donc une structure qui est bien connue dans le monde du tourisme, une structure avec laquelle on est en relation depuis plusieurs mois déjà, et avec lequel le travail a été, je pense, incroyablement facile et naturel. Le secteur du tourisme est un milieu qui est extrêmement morcelé, ça vous le savez beaucoup mieux que moi pour ceux qui travaillent dans le secteur, et c'est un secteur extraordinairement mature en capacité de coopération, de désilotage et d'utilisation des données. Donc il a été assez naturel, assez plaisant et je crois assez efficace de travailler ensemble. Aujourd'hui, nous nous réjouissons de l'arrivée d'Atout France dans la famille d'Eona. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm signaled that it's better to do it in English. I apologize for the English speakers among you. So, yes, of course, I was welcoming Atout France, who's a public reference in the sector of tourism in France, and Atout France, who has a kind of a unique know-how in coordinating and fostering the cooperation between actors, between institutions through data exchange. So the second one I'm glad to welcome is, of course, Capgemini. Capgemini, I don't know if... Yes, sorry. Capgemini is, as you know, very famous in AI. You may not know, all of you, that Capgemini has a unique expertise as well in the domain of transportation. I think all companies working in transport knows Capgemini, and I'm convinced that we will be able to do great things together through your unique knowledge of both our domain of expertise, transport for ADP, and your know-how in digitalization and artificial intelligence. So at least it is really some sort of new contribution to Eonaix. So thank you very much. Next member, I don't know where she... Yes, next is All the Way. I mentioned the startup All the Way in my introduction. Actually, All the Way succeeded in doing what we thought was not really possible for a long time, ensuring a good transportation of the luggage from sites that are off the airport. It seems not so difficult when you look at it from the outside. From the inside, it is nearly unsolvable. And when we were in first discussion with All the Way, I'm taking my ADP hat, we believed it was just, these startups with new ideas, promising to tackle old problems or whatever. But actually, you really succeeded in doing it, in making it happen. And that is quite a puzzle for us. And we are very happy to have you on board in Eonaix. You have strong contribution with ADP, with SNCF, and with lots of actors of transport, and of course tourism, because the luggage has to be taken somewhere. So we are very happy to have you on board. We welcome as well WIMAP. Okay, so we welcome as well WIMAP in Thoughts. WIMAP, who is a company specialized in geographic data and in maps. It is part of the French team, and it is a very innovative company with lots of data exchange, because a map is where basically you can pinpoint the correlation between different activities. So this geographic data, this geographic approach has the potential to really remove the silos and to bring data sharing to a new level. We also have, I think they are not here today as well, but we have Nice Métropole Côte d'Azur, Métropole Nice Côte d'Azur, French very large city in the southern part of France. I imagine everyone knows Nice. So Nice will welcome the Olympic Games in 2030, and will also welcome a UN summit next year. So the whole ideas and the whole use cases that we are building today will be very useful in the context of the summit in Nice in 2030, in 2025, which is next year. And I think that illustrates as well a benefit from the data space. That is that you can develop a use case, a whole cooperation ecosystem in one place and bring that whole cooperation use cases and everything to another location. That's something really important. And we also like to welcome the Digital New Deal. So you all know Arnaud from from these roundtables. Thank you again for contributing that much. So Digital New Deal is a think and do tank, which is something original, quite new. And Digital New Deal has really been helping the whole ecosystem, the whole environment really think about the consequences of technology in terms of economic competitiveness, in terms of civil liberties, in terms of societal impact. It is rather unique think/do tank, in the landscape, and we are very fortunate to have them on board to help us understand what will be the broader impact of the data sharing that we are fostering at EONIX.